On July 23, 2019, Mack Molding's summer interns boarded a bus to visit Mack Prototype in Gardner, Massachusetts. It's a yearly tradition and a highlight of the program, during which students get to see firsthand how Mack Proto's manufacturing processes, including rapid prototyping, rapid tooling, and low-volume plastics molding, complement Mack's full suite of vertically integrated contract manufacturing services.
I find it interesting to see all the different disciplines that come in. Everything from nursing, finance, to the mechanical engineers. And what I hope they get out of it is just to understand how we all work together and to see the different types of manufacturing within Mack itself, where you've got your very high-tech and higher volume in Vermont, and we're the low volume, little bit of tech here in Gardner. So it's always good to have them come in.
Proto President Rick Perry and Director of Molding Operations Steve Fidrich highlighted specialties in injection and polyurethane molding, painting, CNC machining, stereolithography, and fused deposition modeling. The 20 students in Mack's 2019 intern program, representing schools such as the University of Vermont, Temple University, Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, and Bucknell. Whether they work in manufacturing engineering, business development, customer management, finance, or human resources at the company's headquarters in Arlington, Vermont, or its East Arlington or Cavendish facilities, Proto's diverse technologies and occupational roles allowed each intern to relate it back to their summer experience at Mack.
And I tease them, the thing I really hope they get out of it, and I told them it's a contest, is who's the first person that can get out gainfully employed and get us a purchase order so we can work together.
On the way home, Mack's interns stopped at French King Bowling Center in Irving, Massachusetts, a candlepin bowling alley, for an afternoon of bowling, fun, pizza, and laughs among people who started the summer as strangers, but will be leaving as friends. Don't forget to say hi to Hershey if you ever stop by. Following the return home, interns Lydia and Ben reflected on their day exploring Mack Prototype.
I thought it was really cool learning about the polyurethane molding and how if a company comes in and doesn't want that many products but they want a quick turnaround and a really precise mold, this is a good option for them, because we learned that once everything is finished and painted, it's really hard to tell the difference between these plastic parts and parts that come from big manufacturing plants like what we have here at headquarters.
Today we went down to Mack Proto, and it was a really fun experience. The old building was beautiful. The old mill inside was just absolutely gorgeous. Compared to Mack headquarters, where there's so many employees, down there they have about 30 of them, and it was really cool to see them all work together for the CNC machining, the polyurethane molding, and the injection molding. It was really incredible and had a fun time.